John from Merlo Law. Let's break this down. Here at Merlo Law, we see a lot of construction issues, but if these are representative of the finished work handed over by a builder, we are looking at severe breaches of Queensland construction law. Looking at this first clip, notice the base of the wall. They appear to have rendered straight over rubbish and debris, leaving the bottom edge completely exposed. If a contractor leaves the base of a wall like this as a finished product, it is a direct breach of the implied warranties under the Queensland Building and Construction Commission Act. Specifically, that work must be carried out in a proper and workmanlike manner. Under the National Construction Code, failing to clear and finish the base properly immediately compromises both weatherproofing and visual termite barrier inspections. This is prime grounds for a QBCC defective work claim. Now watch this door frame. A hole was cut for a glass sliding door, the doors didn't fit, and instead there's just thin, barely secured plywood. Leaving a property exposed like this is a major liability. Under standard QLD residential building contracts, a home must be reasonably secure and watertight. Failing to properly install the doors and leaving flimsy ply directly violates the National Construction Code's performance requirements for weatherproofing. If water gets in, or the property is damaged because of this, the builder is liable for the rectification costs. This next part is highly alarming. That appears to be asbestos debris just left scattered all over the ground. If that is indeed asbestos, this instantly elevates from a contract dispute to a severe violation of Queensland's Work Health and Safety Act 2011. Workplace Health and Safety Queensland has incredibly strict, heavily enforced regulations regarding the handling and disposal of asbestos. Leaving it exposed like this not only endangers the homeowners and the public, but exposes the contractor to massive regulatory fines and potential prosecution. Finally, look at the roof structure. Water is actively leaking onto the structural timber, and the corners aren't even bolted down or secured. In Queensland, our wind load and structural tie-down standards are absolute non-negotiables due to severe weather risks. Failing to secure roof corners violates the structural tie-down codes under Australian standards. Combine that with a failure to waterproof under Australian Standard 1562, and you have a critical structural defect. If you find yourself dealing with building standards like these, don't wait for it to get worse. Reach out to the team at Merlo Law and let's protect your rights.